To our pet house. We will give this name pet house. See, look. You will go inside. You will catch one chicken. How many there are? How many chickens and how many ducks? Can you count? No option. Okay. Good job, good job. Hi guys, this is our chicken coop, the final, almost.
Here's this one. This one.
Hi guys, this is the final look of the chicken coop which we have prepared, which we have constructed. Took us almost 10 days. Just have a look from inside. So we did already the electrical wiring. We have the power. This is the section which we have prepared for the small chicks. So these two sections, one is for the native, one is for the boiler. When the chicks will be grown enough, so like 20-25 days after, we will shift it into this section. So they will gonna live here. So this is the section we have constructed for this one, and this is the native chicken. Now the only thing, the issues, we have to make small compartments like individual chicken, they can go and lay eggs. So that's I'm gonna do later on that stage. And that's so far it's quite okay. I'm happy so far for this work. The guys, they have worked extremely very hard, and we came into this conclusion. It's very nice. So just only the issue is I have to make the power cabling has to be lined perfectly. So this is my job. In the morning I will do it. So some small minor things to be done. Like this is see where we are going. We are going to our pet house. We will give this name pet house. Mama, this one we give the name to pet house. This is our pet house, right? See, look. You will go inside. You will catch one chicken. How many there are? How many chickens and how many ducks? Can you count? 4 are ducks. And how many chickens? What you were selling? That one? So what you were selling before? You were selling something before. 11. Oh my God! She make it 11. One more. The chicken, the white chicken baby is 10, not 11. Okay, how many goats we have? How many do we have?